the latte. Oh snap. Yep, this is my room. You already know why this is my room. Alright. But enough of that. But yeah, it's my room, man. The bed is actually nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real, for real. TV and everything. All that, my equipment. The light is nice. We got the curtains over here, if you haven't seen already. It's pretty legit. I like that. Oh, what's in here? I can't. Alright, let me see what's underneath it. Okay, yeah, the chest is empty. There's nothing in there. It did look nice. You know what I'm saying? It's the bathroom. Right? You definitely do get some hot water. In the mornings it is kind of chilly, you know what I'm saying? But so you got your hot water, you got your window to get the airflow, you know what I'm saying? You got your window, and yeah, this is the small tour of Nate Habitation. Alright. Good morning, y'all. This is one time. Oh, it's raining, so I can't fly my drone. That sucks. But up into the mountains of Salento, Colombia, and a ton of clouds over there. Get that nice country smell. We are in the countryside. There was a fire over here. As you can see, the fire was out. Dang, why does it have to be raining? Who needs an alarm clock when you have a bunch of chickens around the town? Got a Spanish spider here. Colombian spider, come on. I can't really focus, but it's alright. But yeah, of course, you're in the mountains. You are going to get a lot of the condensation. So this actually does make sense in the morning, where it does appear foggy, cloudy, because the elevation was so high up there. It's another reason why my internet isn't working too well. But it's still a nice getaway. It's still a nice getaway. I've been seeing, that's not the yellow bird. But yeah, it's still a nice getaway. Up here in the mountains, you know what I'm saying? Peace and quiet. Oh, I think we have hammocks over here too. But if I haven't really explained it, this is where I'm at, y'all. I'm at the Viajero. I like these guys, you know what I'm saying? So I'm at Viajero Salento. I'm in Salento, Colombia. And this is the type of vibes that we're dealing with. You know, with nice views, clouds, condensation. You got the dew. Nice kitchen. I think I've seen hammocks over there. The kitchen if you want to cook anything over here. The hangout spots. You got yourself a nice tree trunk table, which is, I think is pretty cool. It's very artsy. In my honest opinion, this is very artsy. The chairs, I don't like so much. For someone tall like me, not so comfortable, but it's very nice and artsy. I travel. Yo, Viajero. I equal travel. We got comics over here. Yeah, heck yeah. Oh snap! Someone forgot their stuff. All right, well, I'll just put that in the corner somewhere. So, we got the beanie beds. And the doors, the rooms are named after coffee. Pretty much. Coffee drinks. You coffee lovers know what that is. I can't go this way. But yo, these are the vibes that we're dealing with. I'm digging the vibes, the early morning vibes. I'm digging the early morning vibes. It is peaceful. Do you hear all of that behind me? All of that sounds really, really good. You know what I'm saying? Birds, chicken. You know what I'm saying? Birds, chicken. Oh, with no pair of Timbs I've gone before, you already know I'm not even supposed to be here with the sound of all that ambience that you're hearing behind me. You feel me? Not even supposed to be here. Alright, let me get my day started. Hey, I'm back in my room. Let me show you what we eating, bro. I like how they set it up, you know what I'm saying? We got ourselves, I think it's Frosted Flakes or something. We got ourselves the banana and pineapple yogurt. You know, I like that. I think orange juice. I think I see the pulp. We got some orange juice, yeah. Arepa con huevo and queso. So an arepa with egg and cheese. You know what I'm saying? Alright. You know what I'm going to do? Because I had this before? Let's put some jerk sauce on it. Alright, look. I'm going to be okay, alright? Put a little jerk sauce on it. Let's put a little jerk sauce on this. On the head, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put just a dab, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know this stuff be hot. You put just a dab. Put a dab of that. Let's see. Let's see if we get that. Let's see. Let's get that Jamaican Colombian fusion. Alright. And you put on that. Let's get it, bro. Them roosters are annoying though. Woke me up mad early. Alright, cool. Heck yeah, let's get it. Put that jerk sauce on it. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Blessed and sanctified, Lord, to the Lord of Christ, amen. Let's get it. Now that's what I'm talking about. Get yourself some jerk eggs. Get yourself some jerk eggs. This is what I'm talking about. Get yourself some jerk eggs. But yeah, what's going on? This is Nate from NateInYoState. We're just gonna get our day started. I'm just gonna ask a couple of questions. Questions that might be useful, and we'll see, you know, because I'm trying to figure out how to get out and around, you feel me? Buenos dias, amor. How are you? Everything alright? Oh, okay, todo bien? Okay. Give me 1 second, yeah, I'm just gonna ask some questions. Okay, si salgo, if I want to leave, si quiero salir al hostel, ¿dónde ir? Salir al pueblo. How do I leave the town? Like, is there taxi? ¿Tienen taxi aquí?
Here is the town.
Yes.
So if you want to go to the town, you just walk.
We walk.
Yeah?
There's no bus that comes or autobus or anything.
No.
Cause
if you want to make like a tour in the town, you can walk.
a tour.
It's really small.
Okay. So what if I want to leave? Like if I'm done, I said, okay, Salento's nice, I'm ready to leave. Because I came here on a bus, but I don't remember which bus it was. I got off early and started walking around. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, but where do you want to go?
Let's say I want to go back to Armenia, right?
Okay.
To the
entrance?
Yeah, like
There is the bus station, so there you take the bus to
Oh.
Armenia or Pereira.
Armenia, you hear that? Armenia or Pereira. That's how you can get in or get out. Because I noticed I didn't see any taxi, so I'm like, oh man, how do I even leave?
Just by bus.
Just by bus, you hear me?
Yeah.
Just by bus. But look, the vibe is pretty nice, you see? The vibe's pretty nice. And yeah, it's pretty dope. I'm telling you, man, you guys gotta come to the mountains and relax, because everything is like really dope. You feel me?